Good evening, TTCL Mallard fans. Before you is my newest addition to my TTCL rolling stock fleet, or motor power fleet, as it were. The three on the left and the bottom two on the right are brand new production models from MTB model that I purchased recently from Zook TT. Thank you, Rob. And the top one here on the right is a earlier production model SUV 1200 from MTB that I bought off of ttnut.com recently. Thank you, Lexi. As you can see here, we have Canadian National for the old run, BNSF, Burlington Northern, which unfortunately there's a slight printing error where the R in Northern, the first R, was missed. I'll correct that later on with some paint and decals. Really nice looking UP, Pennsylvania, and New York Central, which happens to go with my old production, Penn Central. Let's see here, we got road number 8517 for Pennsylvania, 8881 for New York Central, 1854 for Union Pacific, BN number 246, 3509 for BNSF, and for Canadian National, 7024. I'll be having these running in the next few days. I've got to get some more lubricant for them for their break and run. There will be a video on that as that happens. Thank you, and have a nice night. Bye.